across the valley, and it's great to come out here to Mercer, too, in Hermitage area, out here in Mercer County. So let's get a shot right now. The Hickory Hornet Marching Band, 213 members, and they are going to wake up this town this morning. Guys, take it away. The Hickory High School Marching Band waking up bright and early with us this morning. And you know what we're going to do right now? We're going to talk with some of the members. What time did you guys get up this morning?
5.
5? It's 5 o'clock right now. No, actually,
4:30.
4:30?
Yeah.
Excellent. Now, what grade are you in?
9.
9? And it went 9th through, what, 12th grade, guys? Excellent. We're going to call the director, Steve, in here. Steve, come on over. Steve, the director of this 213-member band. And, Steve, what have you guys been up to besides high school football games this year?
We have a variety of things that we do in the community. We have our big craft show that we do here coming up on October the 26th. We do hosted the Mercer County Band Show here this year. So we're involved in a lot of community activities besides just...
And the practice schedule for you guys?
We practice 2 weeks of band camp in the month of August, and then we go twice a week after school for an hour and a half.
That's great. As you mentioned, 213 members. This is the largest band we've had on the show so far this year, so we are pumped up and ready to go. Of course, you guys take on Greenville tomorrow, and you're going to take us out to the 6 o'clock hour with another number, okay?
Okay.
Excellent. The Hickory Hornets Marching Band right here in Hermitage. Have a great day. If you're leaving us, stick around, though, if you're not, because much more in our second hour. Here we go. Wonderful. Thanks so much, guys. The Hickory High School Marching Band. This is in-depth band coverage for you this morning. Because, guys, can you play me one more? Can you play me one more? Okay. Wait, first of all, who can tell me what's the weather like today? What's the weather like?
Very cold.
Very cold, a little cool out here.
Yeah.
See, you have, Pat Connolly, we have the dew on the ground here, little dew there on the field. But of course, you know what? That doesn't stop the band. The band is ready to go. They're waking up the neighborhoods. And if you live in the neighborhood, come on by. The stadium's open. We'll entertain you. Okay, 30 seconds left in the hour. The 6 o'clock hour coming up next. Today's show after that reaches Kelly at 9. But anyway, here we go. More of the Hickory High School Marching Band.
Hermitage, Pennsylvania this morning, where it's a little cooler. Isn't that right, Frank?
Yeah, a little cooler out here, Lori. Good morning. We're here at Hickory High School. Of course, the senior dance line. Doing the cheesy Friday night football wave. Say, go team.
Go team!
Of course, you'll probably see them this weekend on the Arby's Overtime Report or inside high school football. There you go. A little cold out here. Hey, let's go to temperatures this morning. Good morning. Good to see you this morning. We are talking.
You want 80 degrees, Frank. Work
Autumn
on
just
it.
arrived.
You have 5 seconds. Complain right now.
Work on it, Frank.
Indian
80
summer.
degrees. 80 degrees.
Come on.
Okay, 80 degrees.
All right.
The kids look great. They're ready to go. We'll talk with them in a little bit.
All right. Sounds good. Thanks a lot, Frank. It is now 6:08, turning to sports. Week 8 of the high school.
To you, we are live out here in Hermitage, as you mentioned. And you know what? 2 members of the band are celebrating a birthday today, Mark and Dan. Here's Mark. Happy birthday, Mark. Thank you. And there's Dan. Everybody sing happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hey, let's go to the forecast. Dan and Mark, happy birthday to the both of them today. They're going to play happy birthday later. Right now, the temperatures. Let's roll, and we're looking at temperatures this morning. Fairly moderate.
I'm worried about him. He has only a light jacket on.
That's probably enough. He's a big boy, Lori. It's okay. Frankie, you all right out there?
I had meat and potatoes for dinner last night, Lori. I'm warm. Don't worry. Hey, good morning, guys. We're playing Dave's drum here. How you doing, Dave?
Good.
The Hickory Hornets are sounding great. You guys get on cue here. We're going to need you to play in a couple seconds. Live out here in Hermitage this morning. Let's go to the forecast. We are looking at a morning. You know, we've been dry all week. The car has stayed nice and clean, which is a rarity around here today morning. Okay, let's hear from the band now. The Hickory Hornets here in Hermitage. Take it away, guys. 213 members. They're taking on Greenville tomorrow night. High school football. Take it away.
Got a lot of sting in the morning. It's the Hornets of Hickory High School in Hermitage. A lot of H's there, Lori.
They sound.
And good morning, everybody. We are back out here live. What a morning in Hermitage this morning. Your morning show, WFMJ, today, continuing on this Thursday morning, day before week number 8 of high school football. We're live, as I mentioned, in Hickory High School here in Hermitage. They're going to be in Greenville tomorrow night. Well, let's look at the forecast. Nice morning out there. Good morning back in Youngstown to you. We're looking at temperatures this morning in the mid-40s, mainly 45, 43 degrees. Well, looking on to your forecast then for the remainder of your afternoon, we're going to stay dry, but clouds are going to increase a bit as we're doing the Rockettes dance out in front, and we'll take a look at that in a second. But temperatures fairly moderate for this time of year. In fact, 1 or 2 degrees above normal. But get ready, big cool down in here for Sunday. Temperatures are going to fall. We're going to fall into the mid-50s. Now, I'm going to talk to one person very quickly here. Hey, Pat Conley took your post up there. Are you a little upset?
Yeah, I'm a little upset.
Are you able to do the job down here, too?
Yeah, they follow us really well, so they're
Hey, Pat, you should be grateful that you have a poach there, because what's your name?
Sarah Barnes.
Sarah gave up her poach for Pat Conley to shoot. Pat Conley, very grateful, thank you. Okay, the ladies here, can we do that, what was that kick thing we were doing here?
Kick it up a notch.
Okay, we're here, ready, put our hands in. This is called kick it up a notch, so you just taught me here, ready? Okay, what are we doing?
1, 2, 3, kick it up a notch. Bam! Dance line. 1, dance line. 1, 2, 3, 4,
There you go, the Hickory High School Marching Band. Guys, take us for the rest of this segment, okay? Take us, let's play a song. Hickory High School Marching Band, 213 members, by the way. And we are waking up the neighbors this morning. Here we go. Scott and Lori, I'm going to have you dancing back at the studio. Start pounding on the desk.
The Hermitage Hickory Hornets High School Marching Band. They sound great.
They do, and awfully nice of them to get up early this morning. We'll have more with Frank and the band. They'll close us out.
Welcome back. It is 6:41. You're listening to the Hermitage Hickory Hornets High School Marching Band, and that's a mouthful. Don't they sound great? The percussion showing off their fine talents this morning. Chilly morning out in Hermitage and all around the valley this morning, so bundle up as the little ones head off to the school bus. Frank will have more with the band and your forecast coming up.
6 in Hermitage, Frank, is it warming up at all?
Hey, good morning. We are being bombarded here. Everybody was complaining they wanted to be on TV, so I said, come up to the camera. We'll give up the FaceTime. Come on up, and we'll put the Hickory Band on TV. Because you know what? These kids have woke up bright and early to wake you up, and they are doing a fantastic job. So good morning to everybody out here in Hermitage. We thank you for your hospitality. Let's look right now at the temperatures today.
Hi, Frank.
Hey, Lori and Scotty. The hospitality here in Hermitage has been fantastic. And this stadium is a beautiful stadium, too. It's fairly new. But we want to show all the kids again that didn't get on before. Everybody say good morning. And the controlled chaos continues. Hey, let's look at the forecast for today. We are looking at temperatures going up. Thank you. How about some snow maybe on Monday? Maybe a flurry or two Monday morning, but we want to say hello to all the parents. Who wanted to say hi to their mom? Christy, say hi to Carol.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Grandma.
It's getting out of control. Let's go back to you guys.
My dog.
All
Guys,
right.
oh, say hi to your dog.
Hi, Cinder. I love you.
Thanks a lot, Frank.
We are, again, live out here at Hickory High School. They're going to take it away. They're going to finish off the morning for us. But first, we have a baby's first birthday. We want to say a very happy baby's first birthday to Mackenzie Grace Mackle. Happy birthday. And one of the majorettes, right? Flag line. Too many band terms, but I'll get it right. Flag line. Say happy birthday to Mackenzie.
Happy birthday, Mackenzie.
Happy birthday to Mackenzie. And happy birthday to you. Two of the band members, too. Mark and Dan celebrating a birthday as well. Well, guys, take it away. Thanks so much for the hospitality this morning. They have class at 7:30, so they need to play and hit the books. Have a great day. Today's show's coming up next. Local news update at 20 after. They're queuing up. We're ready for the next song. Again, it's Hickory High School, their marching band. Coming out and watch them in Greenville this weekend. They're taking on Greenville Friday.
You've been watching WFMJ Today, our Valley's #1 morning show.
It's happened again, another shooting in the Washington